One time for the Papi now. Two time for the Papi now. Four time for the Papi now. One time for the Papi now. For the party now. Say back to back to the beat now. For the party now. Say back to the beat now.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you celebrate yourselves? If you know you love what you see and you celebrate grace, please, can you give yourselves a round of applause? This is my first ever comedy show in Abuja. And I must say, ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage to take the show to the next level, all the way from Lagos, make some noise for Kennyblaq.
I see you. Okay, oh yeah now, let me hear you say, oh yo yo, oh yo oh oh, oh yo yo. All the guys in the house, all the guys, let me hear you say, Kennyblaq. Take my wife, sorry, I didn't do that. That was a slip of tongue. Make a freestyle small, oh yeah, wanna know say I be shy boy. I no get leave up to follow woman talk. But my brother is the Papi. Tell me say Kennyblaq, oh, he said if you love somebody, walk up to him and tell him you love him. I say why? He said no cry, no time after. See, so one day I see this baby for one of my guys party. They look me and they look at me, they look me and they look at me. So I walked up to him and said, I say fine girl, I just want to dance with you, baby. Of my man or okay. If your boyfriend come with my mail, anything you want to ask, baby, see, even if it's, the girl say Kennyblaq, come on for yeah. I say why? She say Kennyblaq, see, I'm feeling vibes, some vibes. I blow your dynamite. She say Kenny, you know fit kill my vibe. I say why? She say Kennyblaq, away. She said, take all your trouble. I have a boyfriend with that very dark man. I tell your boyfriend and the bouncer. I swear over them all. If they won't come, happy David for life. See, Oluwa dey my side. And when they come, I swear them go feel it. Them go hold it down. Them go feel it. And if they stay and you love me, I swear I'm unavailable. They see me, I'm on up. The guy say Kennyblaq, I'm a big guy in Abuja. I say who are you? They say Kennyblaq. I got my pictures out in Georgia. I got my good from California. I got my necklace on the Celsius. Oh that shit. I think I can see. Now me bidi down, see. Me oh to let go. I tell the girl you think say the world they revolve. I tell the girl you think say the world they rotate. I don't get money like say you body, but I said to God say fine girl, I become a person. She say Kennyblaq, can you come to my house? I said no problem. PKD. Tell me what is the time and place. You only there for your case. I know they drive best, but I go drive. Kilometer. He say Kennyblaq make we dance. I say I know sabi dance, but I say to you say you go bounce your body away. I'm a baby, no teacher. She say Kennyblaq, where you dey stay? I say not Abuja, but oh Zumba body. Where you dey stay? He said Kennyblaq, can you come to my house? I say why not? Oga, I no go lie, see, 3 days she no call me. 3 weeks she no call me. Oga, 4 years she no call me. After the 5th year she come come and she say Kennyblaq, hello, how you doing, my angel man? See, the only one that I'm missing. She say Kennyblaq, wait. I say what? She say Kenny, where you at? What you do? Oh, you got plans? Don't say that. I'm sipping wine in my room. I say fine girl, don't talk too much. Oh yeah, just send me the location and I'll be right there. See, and I come see you my baby. I'm a child of God, but if you see this girl, I swear, she get front, she get up, she get sense, she comes up, cook. Normally she be. I call Pastor Jerry, I say, Pastor Jerry, this not temptation, with a little confusion. She say, Kennyblaq, are you sure you can handle this? If I say the bala, shady bolo, shady bala, shady bolo, is that your avian? Is that your avian? I might look like a small boy, but if I catch you for corner, you gonna say, you not gonna know anything, no, I'm still a small boy. If I catch you in the corner, you gonna say, if you want make a ginger, give me the Marco Jammy. I say Marco JP. And when I'm done with you, yes you go need no other body. Kennyblaq go touch your body. Are you single? Hey, you're single? Hey. Oni duro mi ẹ ṣeun. Hey, oni duro mi ẹ ṣeun. What is your name? Kenzie. What God cannot do does not exist. Oh. Are you single? You're single. Hey, miracle. You know the fine girl. What should I buy for you for Christmas? What do you want? New phone. What is the former one? What kind of phone?
Any iPhone.
Thunder fire you. It don't go better for you. Thunder. Bring it down. Abuja, make some noise. Small relationship, I don't buy food. Whenever I will start, I just want to ask you out. Let me say, if I marry you now, I'm my next of kin. Abuja girls, you need a phone, right? I said the same. And buy the phone. You don't get a phone, you get 2 power bank. Wait till they charge your mind. And Papi, now one guy will say I like and I respect so much, but I don't tell them say me they call me. If I never clap for them, you know go like which I want to. Because I don't know they call me to perform for midnight again. They make I perform early because I'm a small boy, it's past my bedtime. Yeah, because they can only try this with big comedians. You get one art they don't try with. Keep her for backstage since 10. Portable. First of all, I saw a portable day backstage. You know the guy like, Papi, you say you know what? I did backstage, you know, Gabby. I'll go keep. Backstage, I did good. You know what? You want nipple. All these comedians can't say they talk about yams and breasts. Can't you pray? Can't you praise God? Can't do that meaningful things? Imagine portable for Big Brother house. Make portable come the end of house. Big Brother will just say, portable. Report to the diary room. Yeah. Portable will come sit down. Big Brother will just say, portable, what is the problem? Portable will be like, Big Brother, they want to say house you. They want to say house you. And they follow you there right now. Messi, don't put this house for Gigi. If they say this house for my back, that boy, even this joke why they do now at risk. The guy feel coming tomorrow. Kennyblaq, you want to rip me in you? That boy, the only person where police want to arrest, they're sick. They just go meet and say, what people are the only guy who believe say anybody wants to see I'm supposed to pay because he's the guest artist. Make DPO pay to see you. They say, Portable, you're under arrest. DPO wants you to pass, I don't want to pay. You pay to pass that. Tell us, wait, come. They want Jesus. Papa, they contact say, no, Portable is going with us. They call the drop Portable, the drop Portable. Now they go, you want to arrest me? You know what I mean? I'm a baboon. I live in the zoo. They say go come by himself. Portable are the first guy when they go prison, they do video. I go by the name of Olalami. Don't go jail before. You tell your family don't go prison. Yeah, in a jail. Yeah, in a prison. I go jail. Yeah. Baba, the third portable saying will use 10 years for prison. For the first time, the voice come down. That guy is the only artist where the freestyle pass Magneto. The guy feel like song now. Song where no play. The guy say, you dey so glad along that and I make it say for this so they go collect this Pokota me the can't say oh boy, may God help you, that boy. They supposed to award for that boy. Imagine they nominate Portable for award. Imagine Portable are the only guy who is supposed to go to America. But we get as well. Imagine Portable, they nominate you for Hades. You threaten your nominees. How they going to nominate you for street, best street? You do video. You're not nominated. You talk about phone and they come back. When you say they give another person, they go say they kill him. Now then they call Hades. Please, can you take me out of the category? I rather leave than the award become a tribute. Yes. It's best street. Yeah, best street. Yes, not yes. Baba, they know how now go. All those people will go, they call the shade down. We are in America, where are you? Our music is going places. Look at wizkid. Look at him. Yeah. He said, Baba, if you see drops of I'm bigger than the Hades. Able to collect Grammy. You did there when people don't collect Grammy. I see wizkid now they do well. Beyonce come feature wizkid. By the way, sir, if I catch wizkid, you know it. One. Wizkid. Wizkid is racist. When they sing with Nigerian artists, no accent. American artists, accent. You go use diction. All I'm doing, totally me one time. Totally me 2 times. Totally me 3 times. Totally me 4 times. What is telling you? You want to sing with Beyonce? Wizkid they do brown skin girl. Brown skin girl like pearl. Best thing of the world. I said, I wish they do world. Why you not do totally me 1 time too? Very anyhow. I don't know they call the future artist. Imagine say Portable is so big right now that even American artists they with me come America make the future. So they for again what they do for America, Usher request for Portable. I don't no jokes. Why is a joke? Imagine this kind of word now. Usher just come say, yo, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Papi. Even he said, Michelle, how are you? He said, yeah, Papi. Say, I want to say a big shout out to my guy, Papi. In fact, tonight, I'm going to do a song for my brother, Papi. No, my time, no. Make it go. You don't do good, imagine us, I just say, ladies and gentlemen, this song my brother, Papi. And it starts to Zazel. Look at your neighbor, say neighbor. Zazel. Aradugo. Chitu today. Zazel. Follow. Up on Lexi. Oya get my ball. Portable. Bado. Baby Chabaye. Oh, to tease. No. Because I know your mind, no, I don't know you. She never seen you. Since she done the chill with Sammy Daddy, Pokuli and Kobaki. Let's go. Now my baby don't decide to say Koboko try. Okay, this joke is for you. I want to maybe tell a team Pokayo. Now my baby don't give who you pass, let you pass, my baby, Kala, that you, who I can. Who stole that money? Are you happy? I think it's for you. Then don't they call my baby? Second Pesaria. That's my time.
Thank you, Kennyblaq. Thank you, Kennyblaq. Dan the Humorous, Honorable Dan. Please celebrate it with a round of
My
applause.
crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram.
The way people they behave for Nigeria now, they quickly advise, enjoy yourself with your friends very well, because this night on a day, fit be the last on a day together for Nigeria. As you they face your house, go who say some of them they face airport. They won't enter British Airways by 8 a.m. I know that one for real. Somebody called my birthday last year for Lagos. Would they rock for Lekki? The next thing she begin face Ikeja. I said, where did they go? I want to see my friend. I don't know say get Lufthansa by 10 p.m. But all of una where they come out, they ask una, if una know the kind of freedom where una they miss by leaving this country. Okay, you know now. You don't go airport abroad before. Your flight na 12. They say check-in go close at 9. You reach there 9:02. They will tell you, sorry, you can't fly. The one where they vex me about say, I'm afraid you can't fly. What are you afraid of? Now me get problem. Now you the fear. I'm afraid you can't fly. I'm afraid. For Nigeria here, you miss check-in, you miss boarding, you miss announcement. Plane don't they fly like this. All you need to do is one sentence. What can we do? Once you tell them, what can we do? I'll get back to you, sir. Say, hey, Captain, turn back. Agbalance, they call you. Turn back. Now the freedom you want man live for this country. When I make up my mind, say, I'm not going to say I want to relocate, go. I there with my guys for Baltimore. We don't groove, we don't hide. They play loud music, they play KC gyration music. Police stop us. Woo, 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 woo. See me, your guy. I got 2 children for house. They made me blow, bloom at my age. At the blow, bloom, just to show say I know high. What they pay me pass, then draw line for me. I can't day. National comedian of Nigeria. They work out on top line just to show say you know they high. Meanwhile, in this country here, we dey from club come, we dey high, we dey blow speed 280. Wow! Police now they stop us. Now we dey announce ourselves, give police officer, your boys all high. We don't dirty. Now police they hail us now they enjoy this country. Now the kind of freedom you want, man, come on, live. To fear quoi? I say confirm, but I got born I don't want. You understand? Oh, the one where the time is say Nigeria, sir. Nigeria, you know, people they think Nigeria is not a nation. Nigeria is a spirit. You know when they say Nigeria happened to you, Nigeria is a country that everything they happen to them. Everybody go claim gay. I am gay, I am gay. You don't get free visa. You don't get citizenship. He reached Nigeria, turn, I am gay. British say, he don't do. Gay there. Don't come again. You go other countries. You don't go strip club for America. You go see strippers, they dance for you. Wine for me. Sure. You don't go strip club for Lagos. Strippers, they do best. For your neck. The one way shock me at the strip club, at the weight based strip club show, they begin play Casey song. Chineke kange so on your strip club stripper now they hold me. Come and press God now. And now Igbo girl with accent, come and press God now. This country, you never go abroad before. You go Domino's abroad. Then they sell pizza, sell chips, sell everything. Domino's called Nigeria. They begin sell jollof rice and fried plantain. Chicken Republic say they want to copy Nando's chicken. The next thing, they begin to sell white rice and boiled egg. You never, Mr. Biggs will say they won't be like our McDonald's. Mr. Biggs now get chemists inside. Then they sell beer. I guess they do POS. Nigeria is happening to everybody. The one where they pay me now say, okay, even judges, with the see court engagement for other countries, Oscar Pistorius, we saw all the way that they do court for Nigeria. The only one when they say make them bring come Nigeria, can't do on live TV 12 hours with the read judgment. 12 hours, the longest judgment in the world. I can't they say if not like this, the judgment of Judgment Day go day, then there is no need for us to repent. Because if then they judge that thing, my mind they tell me say now in alphabetical order, country by country, A by A. So by the time they start with Afghanistan, 1 by 1, 12 hours, all the terrorists who go the groups over, no worry. He go take before God come, no worry your side. Which one run now? B, Bolivia, no worry. Where they now reach now? D, Denmark, oh, bring a shower, bring a shower, bring a shower, bring a shower. Where we there now? E, Ecuador, forget. F, no problem. As I read, N, where they there? Niger. You don't reach us, so you go see your guy, they run. Where they go? Oba, get citizen for Zimbabwe. He don't move. Because this country, they hide update anyhow. The one where they pay me pass and I say, Hilda Bassi, do Guinness record of cooking. Instead of them to allow the girl, the certificate never even reach. Everybody won't come do their own Guinness. That kitty girl come and I want to cook. Begin cook beans and pomo and dry pepper. Say she they do something. The one where verse me and that, you see that other girl where say she want to do the longest massage in the history. Where come faint while she was massaging. The girl where they massage the massage, not be my problem. Now the fool where they receive the massage. Person they massage at the faint, she see they stretch out the other leg. How ungrateful can some people be? But when I don't find out, Abuja is in the map. But then, I don't look at. Say this country, if you not do anything for Lagos or Abuja, Nigeria not go no. Say Hilda, like say Hilda do that thing for Uyo, nobody for no. But she do it for Lagos, national attention. Do you know that there is a boy in Ife who actually do Guinness business of the longest sex in the world? Go and Google it now. The boy there Ife. But nobody know because Ife just dey remote like that. I can't just think. If now the boy come, I know the energy don't drop by now. But if now the boy come say he won't start that in what do you call it? Guinness record of the longest wiping. Let's say he can't start for Unity Fountain here. Can't start day inside showcase. Everybody go to tweet. Maybe let's say the boy name now Komolafe wiping. Hashtag Komolafe wiping. The next thing, they go down the people, the influencers, they talk. Some of all these internet children don't get respect, will just find trouble. If this was during election now, politicians would have come to associate with Komolafe. Now they have used us and dumped us. Bad politicians. Hashtag Komolafe wiping. Politicians no one hear that story. They go jump immediately. Sanwo-Olu go hear him from Lagos. Say, he's even from Lagos living in Ife. He don't go, he go point him. You are a good boy. This is the power of Lagos. He go shift. The next thing, Senate President Akpabio go come. But what this boy is doing is an uncommon wipery. And I can tell you the person that is wiping is an Akwa Ibom girl, because only an Akwa Ibom girl can collect 16 hours of wiping. A guy there, am I right? He go say, it's true. They go collect. The next thing, they go say, FCT minister, Wike, come and comment. He go, come. Come on, Lafe, you that is wiping. I don't know this wiping that you're wiping, but as you are wiping her, as it is sweeting you, it is paining her. But I hope that while you're wiping that wiping, you're not on the Abuja master plan because it's going down. Then, when it don't finish, they'll come say, Atiku go Yaram. Say, Excellency, you need to comment on this. Atiku go Facebook all the way from Dubai. You go come post. And I office without another. You go come post. Let me congratulate Koboko on this his long wiping. This is indeed a true test of resilience. In fact, he has challenged me. I heard he has gone 14 hours non-stop. That means I can also continue to contest this president for the next 14 elections, inshallah. Then the next will come say, Mr. President, it's your turn. No, Atiku don't talk. You need to talk. Go come on. Let me. First of all, congratulate Koboko on his extraordinary ability in wiping the girl. But Koboko, after 16 hours, let the Quakers breathe. Don't suffocate it. It is your responsibility to keep it fresh. You go come shift, then this obedience will not get respect. They will come begin say, Peter Obi, you must talk, oh, you must talk. We no can say they win you for court, you must talk, oh. You go come. Let me congratulate my younger brother. You know, so everybody in a family member. See that you're older or younger than him. Nobody be meet. My younger brother, Komolafe, on this extraordinary
27 hours. This is what we are talking about. From consumption to production. What has stood out for me is that in that 27 hours of wiping, Kamalafe has used one condom. An economic wiping. Because some of you do 5 to 10 minutes on the average. So if you go by the 27 hours, you are actually using about 16 condoms per day. Meaning that in a week, you will be using about 80, which brings us to about 3,498 naira 42 kobo. Meaning that in a month, you are now spending 14,906 naira 22 kobo. Meaning that in 1 year, you will now be spending 159,809 naira for condom. Now, in Bangladesh, that money is what is used to employ 6,000 people to make bedsheets. Meaning that each time Kamalafe is just wiping or you're using condom wiping, all you're doing is just bedsheet. If you think I'm lying, go on.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of here. Thank you very much, Honorable John. The next comedian that will grace the stage is all the way from Lagos State. This guy is funny. If you come here, if you don't laugh, I'll give you my money back. All the way from Lagos State, ladies and gentlemen, bringing on stage, MC Monica. Abuja, put yourself on my shoes. Put yourself in my shoes. Poor man pikin go stay na rain boot, na lie. Na Balenciaga. Baba, this Papi na useless person. No. For Instagram, he tell us say na Empress be your mama. You reach money matter, carry your rain mother, come on. Don't trust man. No. Small comedy wey we dey do, you carry native doctor, carry mami water for Benin, carry smoke, food this food place. Omo, Abuja, muna clap for me, na I know easy. Omo, I came all the way from Lagos, dust 1 kilos. Tinubu carry everything, come this Abuja. Lagos now don Tinubu. Everything don cost. Even I am that I am self, we no fit buy yam now. The thing, my mother flash me, I flash am back now. Now, boy, you born me, no be you carry me come this life. Rich one no dey work again, no. Poor man pikin go this na rich one body do. Ta, vote the way down the so. Coat of many color, now vote this one. Now you wear now, put the stand up, make they see. Before you got the young like who want I wayek. Baba, you don't hold though, take it easy. Papi, your first show be like ritual. But things hard for me. I'm a graduate too. Don't feel bad for me. Second class lower, innit? Baba, who get 2 and never get work, now me go come get. Ha! I see my cut. Who be there? Baba Berenga, as you don't fit do anything, assist. I see my classmate for area 1. Baba na joke I tell you. I carry this money, squander am. People wey buy house for Lagos, they don't afford the house. No invest in any house, chop your money. Nothing dey this life. This Nigeria go end on Tuesday by 2. That court case where they judge P2B don't know whether he win or he lose. You don't hear P2B talk since. Papa, anything where you feel to now to survive, do it. Nobody cares. If I leave here, I start TV. If I see Sheyibodi, I go shoot her. Who that is down fears no fall.
Look at all the graduates now, they do POS. Do you know what this means? I'm going to go withdraw money. Who graduate with first class from my department? 9 be POS attendant. I say do 1K 10 times. Baba, if you like me, tell me now. Now, body. So you be assistant. Now they hear you. Or Nana. I follow my guy go deny Bele yesterday for Koboko. Baba, no be joke. Empress, Alpha now, as Papi don't survive, I'm the new last born now. Papi, the way you post your wife, I think say she go perform. Papi go post your wife. My wife is in Canada. So what? Why they put pressure on us? So like I was saying, I follow my guy go deny Bele for Port Harcourt. My guy give get Bele. Come out. The girl no agree. They sue my guy to court. Now me be a witness. We reach court. They put me for witness box. They give me Bible. They say FC Monica, swear that anything I say here is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Akbaraz, they don't be me for another person. So help me God for another person, sexual intercourse. I don't swear finish. Now, Akbaraz, you got pick this morning. I senior me, you know if you send me a message. Baba, you be woman, I be woman. No rush me. I don't swear finish. Lawyer come outside. He said, witness, I put it to you. I said, no, we put on my guys here. You cannot pressure me. Anything where you they do, be consistent. But ask something, join her. Look at weekend now. FCT minister, they cook too. No allow anybody pressure you. Even davido they go. OBO. Who believes say for this life, Bansa go become celebrity. Look at very dark man. Now they advise us. You know, Kenya should advise us with the listing. Are you mad? Very dark man. They wear dark singlet for this dark economy. Nigeria even get economy. We are surviving. And they owe my landlord the owe Papi. He can't knock my door yesterday. I said, knock. I call Papi. He's around though. Before I go bring quick notice, they don't arrest him. They say, who can stand in for you? He called me and said, I'm not around. Papa, things don't tough. Now this period for Bible, Jesus wept too. Ha! I saw Gary no green rice. Gary don't get pride. Baba, Abaranze. Okay, assistant, what's your name? If I know they ever get the supporting artist. He's Daniel Bansa, my turn. I'm a graduate too, like I was saying. I studied fine and applied art. But where that kind of thing, where you want to use and get work. Some of the course where you read, ask yourself, what for? Any course where you study, they tell you can work anywhere. Nonsense. I'm fine. Yeah, I want to apply. It's a pity. I see my classmate wey say after school she dey settle down. She dey stand for area 1. The thing this Abuja, I'm gonna appreciate Abuja. Abuja na dey try na appreciate Abuja. For Lagos, now I wan get team my polo use and go through TikTok. They team polo for Lagos. I can't do polo. I write I do mama. Do you have anything I can change it to? Take. One girl wear the Atu mama, she no know. She's a go do TikTok. She did that. People they comment, accept my condolence. Baba, I go do ritual. As he had for me, we read the native talk for time. He say, I'll get money, but I no go argue with anybody. For this country, we argument free. Now I go ask her, so wetin I go do? You say, man, I bring 5 veggie for who say 2. How? Now there the argument starts. My time don't finish. Ladies and gentlemen, good night. Bring them, Morgan, bring them. Don't do like I neck, bring my foot. Good night, everybody. My name is MC One.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming up on stage, Koboko Master. God will bless that person with a shout in wilderness. A lowly voice in the wilderness. God will remember you in the days of your persecution. Oh, but I don't decide now. Saying I go, I want to smoke now. Nothing concern me. Now people when they smoke, you go, they understand this country. If you use clear eye, look Nigeria, you go crazy. So for us to be on the same page, everybody to smoke. After all, if you know say you don't smoke Canadian lab, just know say you suppose don't go there. Find transport, you don't be citizen. I go there, the smoke country where you never go. Oh, I not let anybody stress you. As I day, I know you're day good mood. Oh. My gym instructor will suppose help me. Cholesterol don't kill her. And I waiting worry me what they join the gym. First things first, I know say that gym no go favor me because the owner get beer parlor opposite the gym. When we burn fat, we'll go buy him. When we burn fat, we'll go buy him. The man died of overweight eventually. Don't let anybody stress you. This Nigeria where you do so things are so expensive now that when you crack joke, they say your joke is too expensive. Even joke now, person not fit take am. That is why now only Tinubu me they admire now. Yes, that guy. I don't know why he take do am. Come Yoruba get jazz. Una not say no tribe to do this thing, make all of us there at peace. He be like, nothing anybody won't tell me. Native doctor the day said that court. Because the judges go call and say they won't talk better thing. But forget, that guy na read Jagaba, Mona, no worry. But you know why I like this Nigeria? Eh? All of them do as the thing not the pain on Abi. Don't worry. No worry. I too like this country. The thing will later they come up like rumor. So boy, be like so do mistake. Hey, will I remember that time when that guy they come May summer, go forge resort from Anambra State. Now that time I know say Nigerians, una not get ahead though. As Jam just come outside, say, Umesioma found guilty of forging result. This is the way Nigerians go tackle the small girl for doing something wrong. They just face Jam. This same Jam where Snake carry 36 million. They not see him. How they test him fake result? Oh, but Jam sure. Now they say they don't launch investigation to see whether the girl lie. Now Jam come outside. Even someone found guilty of forging result. She needs to tender unreserved apology and go for character class. Now Nigeria say no shaking now. If Umesioma don't they found guilty and want to apologize, INEC chairman make it fair apologize to us first. Jam they wonder what you concern INEC and this result. Nigeria not agree. The next thing Jam just throw away. Kamsio Chuku of Deeper Life High School, Ogun State, has been confirmed to be the original UTME 2023 highest scorer, and she's been duly rewarded. Now Nigeria say, okay, no shaking. Since Kamsi don't get waiting, they find now him be the original one. Can INEC now declare Peter Obi as the original winner of 2023 election? Oh boy, this country, Grace, the one where they invest me now, now Nigerian men. Which one be say you want to relocate? Your guy will call you say, oh boy, they relocate. You go say, nah lie. Why? Now your wife tell somebody say, I want to relocate. But when Nigerian men no go ever agree. So bro, I hear so now they come out, you go say me, for where? I just want to drop my family. You know now, not fit stay abroad. Keep quiet to your guy will move. 3 months, bro. When you they come back? Me? I don't feel wrong. Make madam just settle down. I dey call Nigeria. 9 months, bro. You don't reach 1 year. When you they come back, bro? The year still get like 3 months to go. Madam almost a graduate.
Once you see anything matriculation or convocation gown online, I don't come back. Give that same guy 25 years. Bro, that is smart, you know. He said, oh boy, don't worry. As I speak to you now, they don't nominate me for mayor of Vancouver. Once I win the election, I dey come back. 45 years. The guy go tell me, I not tell you I go come back. Next week now I go die. If I die now, my dead body go come back. Nigerians say, I don't know why. If you want come back. Why you stress yourself? And see, let me tell you, if you are here, you know say you dey bleach. No ever say roasted corn or roasted plantain. Bleaching and fire no like each other. Before you begin resemble what you they say. And if you are here, you know say you be man. There are some prayer points you must pray. Are you aware that as you are here now, person where they drive towing van, they pray. May God give and work tomorrow. And do you know that for God to answer that my prayer, you need to get accident? Oh, you don't know? Now I make I tell myself, God bless the man. May two towing van jam each other. May him go carry one. Now me you want stress. And another prayer point where you need to pray as you are here now. Pray. Do you know that, sir? If you carry a shower now, okay, you know they carry. Man, found they carry a shower. This guy don't depress phone. Not be you and what you do. Rest. Come, this is a shower matter. Since nobody they agree say they carry, who can't they carry a shower? I never ever see anybody agree say they carry a shower. Why we know we just do meeting? Who they carry a shower? Today I want you to know. Bro, nobody that they agree say they carry a shower. But all these girls when they back now, people will still carry them. Why? Me, see my advice. A shower can never stop. Like we rather die. We rather die. A shower cannot stop. But my problem is, let's reduce it. How can one man use governor of Taraba State store Ashawo name? And every day the wife say governor, they call her. Anytime the woman who her husband say, you go see governor of Taraba State. Full governor. You know if we use SA to governor of Taraba State, full governor. He can't put on his excellency, governor of Taraba State. Out of excitement, now the woman say, make her even pick. Because governor suppose know his friend wife. And another thing, if house rent expire, the man not dey meet up. So the woman they say, how we go know governor? We not feel. Now him mama one day some more courage. As he pick, now the woman know say na small girl dey root Taraba. Now that day I know why their revenue they low. No, if you don't want carriage, I don't even know carry. Please, let's be modest about it. Like one of my neighbor, you go give his side chick best friend belle. Now the two girls they fight. Out of frustration, he go to ask his wife for advice. Now next Friday be in burial. The guy is dead. And please, if you are new to this town, maybe you came into this show for the purpose of supporting Papi. You see this place called Transcorp. If you don't serve a living God, don't go inside. Oh. From here, go back to your car. Go back to your car. There's a place inside that place they call Piano Lounge. Everybody there, they wait for honorable. And you will always see them wear native. They will come hold one brown envelope. Inside that brown envelope, now C of O. They only sell land. Not buy you. Because once you ask them, where is it located? They'll say it's a stone throw from airport. Ask them who throw the stone. Now throw stone, one guy take by Yaya Bello house. Now he get case with government. Ask them who throw the stone. And my biggest problem for, okay, by the way, Golden Reef. Yeah, this one they sell better house. I know them. Golden Reef they sell better house. Agbalanze. I don't call you to spray me money. I don't grow past all this spray. When I they spray. Naira we not get like say somebody pushing naira from upstairs. If you want give money, give me $1. Carry money reach us. No, if you even solve family problem. So what I talk is say my biggest problem with this way they sell land. They always get one lawyer where he may aim now to make sure so customers don't know where they buy. Bro, that profession, if they not remove them for this world, there will never be peace. They are our problems. Which one be say person buy land? Transaction happen between Agbalanze and Sheivodi. Baba write am now. Mr. Sheivodi bought a piece of land from Agbalanze. Make two of them sign, make they get out of our office. Which one be say my client? Who goes by the name? Mr. Sheyi Akekumi Vodi, so duly purchased a piece of landed edifice from a property developing mogul. Herein, thereafter, henceforth, force majeure, thought that I will fire you. That's the way you write, if you read them. Now the illiterate, so the Nigeria will just go sign. You don't know, say you don't go buy Kenya. There is this thing where they happen for Nigeria airport where they vest me. I don't know how many of you don't sit down before, strap like you want to travel, and you see these guys where we are Jesse. Say there be air hostess. Come. Hello. Good evening. Are you aware you're sitting on the emergency exit just in case there is fire? Can you be able to open door and jump down? Call you there, Chris. Which kind of announcement be that? How can you just meet a random person, tell and make you open emergency exit main jump? First things first, by my own understanding, emergency seat should be allotted to members and staff of the airline, dressed in mufti. These guys, we already have a knowledge of what that door can do when the need arises. You don't sell it to customers and tell the customers if the need arises. I don't know if you saw a video where a guy open plane, we don't day up. You see the breeze where enter the plane, the gas land immediately. It can happen. This Nigeria where depression became motivational speaker. Now, just imagine all these people who put their money for article now sit down for that kind of place. Hello, good afternoon. Just in case of anything, they will open and they'll say, okay, no, well, I'm going to take off first. You don't know, say, Supreme Court don't run the street. Say, more, you have to take off first. So I feel it's wrong. Then another thing, pilots, may they need to marry. Yes, may pilots come to the marry. They should be like Reverend Fathers. Because the sensitivity of the job of a pilot is too bad for what a bad relationship can do. Just imagine, as a man, normal man, we don't marry you. Do you know, say, if your wife make you vex? It doesn't matter the car where you drive. Forget all this one where they buy G-Wagon, they buy 2022 Range Rover. Do you know that you can stay inside that car with AC heat go they worry you? Because of course they cost you for house. Women cause they pay no. Only you go just hold steering for express they shout. No, wait till I do my wife. Wait till I do away go cost me like that. Only you. And you don't know say as they shout in the match shot. All these accidents when I know the PS pay for road now cost so. Cost. Now imagine that kind of man. Now I'm a pilot. In wife brought cost. The man don't enter cockpit. I know say man with the vest they always shake leg. All these pilots when I know they hear what they talk. Don't be say they plan am una anger. As the guy just want to take off, they'll come send a picture of your wife with another man, they flirt. The first time we hear pilot who they speak pigeon. I was the small and log this plane will come out. Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome on board. Boeing 327 taking us to where I don't really know. And on board with us this afternoon, we have Chioma, Isaac, two other guys. I don't even know who employed them for this play. No. Are you aware with such frustration, the pilot can take off and go to the hotel where they say wife did? Oh guys, now you go agree go where you go. They say they won't go knock your wife, you won't fly. The man feel your take off. You for this our airport Abuja here. When you reach Transcorp, now you go the hover around here. That time I customer, now passenger will no problem with the enter. That time I will go and explain to now. Ladies and gentlemen, Mona Noves. When we're trying to take off, they say my wife they here with another man and Mona just allow me catch her. If I catch her, I'll go come out. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much and good night.
All the way from Benin City, make some noise for MC Casino.
DJ where they carry me go play for Percy Berry away commit suicide. He go they play this life. I can't kill myself. Oh. They don't kill him. They carry DJ go play for orphanage home. They play where your papa do, where your mama do. Orphans come they cry say they want to know their parents. They kill him. They carry DJ go play for marriage. Wife and his mama they dance. DJ go they play this yeah song. Not be my fault in Ashayo. Now all of us be the Ashayo. And they don't find to suspend the mother-in-law since. Nothing sweet illiterate. Read say people will go school not make her. They can happy. See, I tell them they go level. There's not fucking answer. I tell you that. So boys heartless. So you carry your side chick go watch football match. You see they say the referee they cheat. Referee when you support the tell spread the call. Some men are hypocrites. So you carry a shower. You go to give her head. Help. Time reach your neck, you go wear condom. What do you prevent HIV when you don't drink 25 liters? No, side chick, I don't get problem with side chick, but the kind of message where they send us. How you tell me say MC Casino greet your wife and your children from you? What wanted they say you be? Which kind of info message be that? This comedian that just finished performing does not have respect. Very rude. You know that your senior colleague has not performed. You funny like this? You will not go far if you continue like this. I didn't do this to Alibaba and I go die. Because the country, I don't find out there. Some ladies get entitlement mentality. Yes. Some, especially for Benin, you go break up with girl, you say, I don't blame you. You have seen my nakedness. My own when you see a graphics design. At the crack joke, this guy they shake. You want to put me for court? Entitlement. And that time, which will be MC Casino, I was there with you when you were in one room drinking Gary. In one room, na me parents, Gary, na me buyer. The one I call hate, because again, what time we get this swell. If you break up, your poop, I use this as a point of contact to not be well with you. You won't get no swear for me now with pubic hair. That period, I began spiritual problems, so I'm not shaved for 17 years. I carry clipper. I hold hair, I stand on top hair. Now Lagos. Today I did Abuja they perform. Should they be need a wrong man? They craze. I mean you want for stress. But meanwhile, I've done my research. Things are not the way they always look on television. Don't allow any woman to put you under pressure as a man. Hey, you came too quick. Yes. I've come. You go. Now, men know the user I see any water with dirty with the poor root. After they walk, you, I have come. The reason you came to my house is for me to come. Not be me quick on, and you delay your coming. You are a comrade. You know how many men we don't lost? Because I want satisfied woman. One girl say, Casino, prove to me you are a man. All this girl be a foul. What is that to prove? I should make you happy as if I will not pay you tomorrow morning. Don't stress yourself. Do the best you can do. Leave the other for another comrade to continue. Oga say, yes, I believe you be overcomer. Oga say, go ahead. Bro, do you know how many men have died? True life story. Professor of law died on top of a Calabar girl that don't have WAEC result. Indeed, erection is not a respecter of profession. But me, stress myself, a friend of mine went to take my power. He died. Even when he died, he was here having erection. He died a hard death. Hardened criminal. They don't feel bury the boy. They won't bury and prick, remove coffee. Why are you fucking impressing? Nothing you want to. Nothing you want to. I just advise men, go and make money. Fuck the rest. Hey, you don't get money, they go gym, they work out, and your life is not working out. You find rich Regina Daniel from my boyfriend. Regina Daniela, former boyfriend, tall, fair, huge, broad shoulders, brown eye, big lips, six pack, even get six pack for her. You know, carry a girlfriend. 72 years old now, we get diabetes. Make money, bro. Don't allow anybody to this. My woman, if I not man will not get money when they last for bed now, davido. Chabi, I can do 4 hours or so. How long they travel from Lagos to London? Say why I like my girl, I can satisfy. You don't get money. Some boys are shameless. No jobs. School you don't go. Work you don't learn. Even this youth empowerment program, Yahoo and Erabet, you know they do. You call it say, I'm looking for a woman that will love me for who I am. Who the hell are you? You love yourself. You know what is money? The other day I give my mother 500,000 out of a statement. My mother say, MC Casino, I wish I met you before your father. Now I say, Mommy, what will happen? Say by now you be my husband, your father will be our son. Why I make money at the so wow. I want to say one a delay, make I show na pray. Pray now. You have been giving orders, you will not make me feel useless. And I come here with my wife. My wife going to say, honey, you have to train professionally since they don't like you much in Abuja. Ogami, I greet you. Shey Ibodi. Now we they do the comedy, now you they do the lifestyle. Share. Please a round of applause for him. You have been supporting comedy and I want to be the first guy to support you. Send me your account number, your BVN. And those things when they write for your ATM card. I use you to do what I learned last week. This Abuja, now they enjoy. They don't make traffic light for Abuja. He traffic show red, they stop. He show green, they move. I call the shock. Forbidden. Green, move. Red, move with speed. Hey. Okay, they like jokes where involve breaking the law. Man, they crack everything now when involve breaking of law. Ballot snatching. Beavers that did not work. APC rigging. Hope wicked people are not here. Okay, you got the laugh. You know what I don't call those when they regular. I don't have anybody with the table. Not be everybody with the table game on you. Out of 10, must get one of their friends when broke. But they have to say now they follow us. We notice are not okay. If everybody will get table them money, what did this guy they do for this table? Where they act like my father math teacher? Thank God I'm not put anybody. Me, I guess since die. So my former comedian have made 400,000. I mean 100K. This is a war. When I not give me the 400,000, I go rob Monica. No, but you know, I just love you, bro. Make yourself relevant. Not be you pay for bill. Let me use you as example. You don't buy table, you have to work for me. I not be useless around. My brothers, I was saying about men. Don't who be this guy? Cracking joke, you're two-faced. Sometimes say I be mumu. It's not be unemployment. What did you graduate with? Let me tell you what I finished school with. Not be our president who fuck up. I go tell you the crack joke for who they stay with the girlfriend. Work not there. My guy will read banking and finance, they say Power Bank, opposite First Bank. And they tell people say I'm supposed to be there. Nigeria happened to me. After you comedians now want to kid themselves me. First of all, I never wanted to be a comedian. I forced myself into this profession. What will I tell my children when I grow up? My children are growing. I have 3 children under 3 years. Almost true life story. People like Sheifo, when their children they grow up, there's this pride that they get. Hi, my dad is Sheifo, the renowned fashion guru. Wicked children. My dad is the minister of FC. What do my children want to talk? Children know what to be joke. Say, my dad is a comedian. He used to do mumu for people to laugh. People wait for suffer and advance our children. What the bouncer want talk? So what begin what to be protocol? Say, my dad, oh, as I say bouncer, you spray me. Your S was a bouncer. 120. I'm getting there. The target is 400. Hold on, no, that thing you fly me from Benin, I enter turbulence, come for 3 minutes. What the bouncer children want talk? Say, what do your daddy do for a living? My daddy is a grabbies. He used to tell people, go back, go back, go back. Money changer, not drink alcohol. Oh. One money changer, not drink alcohol, you can't spray money. The next day, the 2 million way your guy give and I could come in casino. They say you did the way the thing happened to me. I think you don't join Yahoo. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I go, I found out children of these days, they are over pampered. True. And one of the easiest way to spend your money as a young father, now 1 year birthday, waste. Waste. Absolute waste. My daughter, I came back from Europe, I was excited. My first girl, first child, 1 year birthday, 7.7 million I spent. You like not believe, it's my joke. Fuck you. Poor my picking go say, wait, see, na bride price they pay. That rich to snap picture, picking they cry. Ungrateful child. Another way to spend money, baby cut. They're not asleep inside. Nothing you want to. And then my wife forced me by him. Say, honey, you know you are a celebrity. We are doing video with the child. No, my children sleep. Last week when me and my wife they quarrel, I forced her to sleep inside. Children are over papa. I was in a salon. The pets begin to barb hairstyle. Children go boutique. Say, Daddy, I don't like the colors of my sneakers. You know color? When I was in primary 4, the shoe where my papa buy for me, they said my papa elder brother. In our days, you grow in shoes. What the fuck are you to wear your side? It's a taboo. You must powder. If you wear shoes, if you pull on, your leg will bring blood. The blood says scorpion bites you. You know what we went through? Went to visit my uncle in Abuja. He began to cry. I said, why are you crying? He said, Daddy raised his voice at me. See, I've told Daddy whenever we're having, then you should maintain a particular pitch. Now this joke I said the same. You should maintain a particular pitch. You told your part to DJ. Where we small? Okay. As they beat us, if we won't cry, then they beat us, but we swallow the tears. Swallow. Most of all these people were fat. Not be food, now the tears where they swallow, where they small. Oga, now you be my, now you be my sacrificial lamb this night. Nothing you go do. Nothing. God has sent you to me. And you know the pet children to sleep? This is say sleep junior tomorrow is school. Early to week, early to he. If you see when my father put us to sleep for Benin, you're teaching a robber the rob. As he come, what? When I here? Everybody lie down. Close your eyes. Face the ground. Face the wall. No movement. No shaking. If I hear pain, you go hear we. We not the sleep with a lying state. The only luxury we were exposed to as kids now rubber eyeglass for Christmas. If your papa get money, your own will be double decker Aliko. Your father. Then after that one, now they'll give you rubber wristwatch. Why I like that rubber wristwatch? It comes in 3 colors: blue, green, red, and yellow. From Christmas to New Year, now 12 o'clock they sharp. It neither move nor slumber. I know they make progress, not they go back. You'll be like Buhari. So what is it that children are telling us? Please, ladies and gentlemen, before I stand out, I never wanted to do a rough joke or raw joke, but please know this and know peace. Men, where your wife? Oh, you came with somebody. Why is she far from you? You get why? It doesn't nude when they send for you. You go explain, tire. No evidence. No be ordinary, I very dark matter, stop a shower walk. Please, ladies and gentlemen, some people just enjoy it when you are down. So when you don't have money as a man, leave women. Leave women. Leave them. Ladies, don't allow any poor man to deceive you. Say, men that have money that will cheat on me. It's a lie. Cheating has nothing to do with your financial status. Both the rich and the poor will cheat on you. The poor will cheat on you in a poor way. Not go borrow with one, borrow leggings, say go sleep with boy, borrow room. Oswald. All men are like onions. We will always make you cry. But ladies, it is better to cry in Dubai than to cry in Gwagwalada.
Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. We have a lot of funny videos that you will always watch and enjoy.